Deintec is a Mexican company with its roots in Monterrey that has brought together the experience and dynamism servicing national and international clients, always delivering creative and added value software solutions, giving a real advantage to our customers, among them some of the most important companies in Mexico. Our experience of a decade-long developing web and mobile solutions allow our clients to achieve their operative excellence goals on time and under budget, knowing that no matter how small an effort can be, the benefits must maximize the investment. Today, we extend our capacity to serve the industry through solutions such as process integration and task automation, requirements analysis and technical advisement, and support to optimize their Industry 4.0 initiatives, helping to assure the expected results. Furthermore, we have the mission to be a change factor for Nuevo León through our talent development programs, allowing the new generation of professionals to acquire experience and grow in a solid company that banks on its mission and values. We are here to help to close the operational gap between manufacturing and production systems and business management systems. Deintec. We will make it easy.